All right, in this video, I'm going to go through step by step how to file a statement of information online for your LLC. Now, the process is pretty much the same for a corporation, but in this example, I'll do it for an LLC. So make sure you log into your BizFile account. So this is the website you need to go to. And if you don't have an account, make sure you set up an account, but we'll log in here. And again, if you don't have an account, just sign up here. So let me log into account and get in. Okay, now that I've logged into my account, I'm going to search for the LLC that I need to file the statement of information for. So you can just go here to search, and then you type in whatever your LLC is. I'm just going to pick a random one just to show you an example. Okay, and this one is active, so that's fine. If you're they're past due, but process is the same. You're going to click here, go to file statement information. Okay, and you're going to read this privacy warning. You can scroll down, read it all, and then click that button. Okay, and then you're just going to hit next, and then you're going to put your information here. So maybe just whatever, this is your information, the person that's submitting it. I'll just say John Smith, and then whatever your email is, and then whatever your phone number is. Okay, so that's your submitted information. And you're not going to be able to fill this out because this is an already registered LLC. Okay, next one is the street addresses. So the principal office of the LLC, if it's out of state, then you put the out of state address here. Okay, the mailing address if it's different. Okay, and may it be a PO box. Notice this one cannot be a PO box. Okay, it must be a physical street address. And then the street address of the California LLC. Okay, so it must be a physical address, cannot be a PO box. But notice only the first two are required. Okay, because it's this asterisk. So this is not required if you don't have looks like you don't have a physical office in California. But these two first addresses are required and can be in any state. So hit next if there's no changes. So this is where you have a manager or a member. If no manager has been appointed, I please provide the name and address of each member. Okay, so in this case, you'll put in first name, last name, and then whatever the address is. So we can just pick one right here, and then we'll hit next if this is correct. Okay, and then add more managers or members as applicable. Hit next. Agent for service or process. If this stays the same, you don't need to change anything. Change as necessary. Okay, we'll hit next. And then the type of business. So in California, they allow you, at least the time of this video, you can do any lawful purpose. But even if you're in real estate, you can put real estate, or if you're in cosmetics, you can do cosmetics, or e-com, you can just e-commerce. Okay, so put that as applicable. And then if you want email notifications, send these. Okay, or if you want paper, still click the second one. Now don't rely on these notifications because sometimes they send it out, sometimes they don't, and mark it on your calendar when your LLC statement of information is due. Okay, hit next. We'll just say yes. Okay, and then we'll just johnsmith@gmail.com, johnsmith@gmail.com, and then hit next. And then if there's no CEO, then you don't need to put anything, but there is, just add it. Okay, and then answer this labor judgment. If there's a labor judgment, answer yes as required. If no, just hit no. Okay, and then you're going to review it here, and then you're going to click here with your signature. So you're going to type your name, add the date, hit save. All right, I'm not going to do it here, but I just want to show you the example. And then you're going to click next, and then this is what the payment is, $20. And once you filed, you can go to the work queue, which is on this side. Okay, so hit next, and then file online. And once you hit file online, it's going to show you go to the payment. If it doesn't show you, just go to this cart. Or add it to the cart, and it will show you how to check out. Okay, but that is how to file your statement of information online. Now it's required every of the year. So easy way to remember this is the year that you file for your LLC, year and month, every other year. So you file August 2024, then at minimum it's due August 2028, August 2030, August 2026, August 2028, August 30, etc., etc. Also, whenever there's any change of any information on this in this statement information, that's when you need to file it. Okay, so that is how you file the statement of information for California LLC, and the process is essentially the same for California Corporation.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly, to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.